How much do most lawyers charge for a Dewey? First offense Dewey lawyer cost $1,500 to $2,000. Inexperienced lawyers who will have little to no reputation for drunk driving cases, $2,500 to $3,500. Competent attorneys who have a marginal reputation and some experience fighting a Dewey charge. Do I need a lawyer for OUI in Michigan? Individuals who are facing Dewey, OUI, or OUIL drunk driving charges in Michigan must secure the legal guidance and representation of a talented and dedicated criminal defense firm. The penalties you may face include jail time, significant fines, and the loss of your driving privilege. What is a Dewey lawyer? Image result for drunk driving lawyer. A Dewey lawyer is an attorney who devotes all or most of their practice to drunk driving, drug driving, and related cases. Dewey is a subset of criminal defense, so any qualified defense attorney can be used. However, these cases are complex enough that some lawyers specialize in Dewey defense. How much is a Dewey lawyer? Alaska, $1,500 is average. The state of Alaska estimates the real total cost of an average first offense to be about $22,740. Mandatory revocation of driving privileges for not less than 90 days. What is best plea deal for Dewey? Advantages and disadvantages of a dry reckless plea bargain. There are many reasons why a dry reckless charge is considered one of the best plea bargains for Dewey. How likely is jail time for first Dewey in Michigan? Will you serve time in jail? In Michigan, first offense Dewey or OUI is classified as a misdemeanor and punishable by up to 93 days in jail. That jail time may be increased under certain circumstances. How much does a Dewey lawyer cost in Michigan? The average cost of a Dewey lawyer will be $3,000 for a first offense Dewey. If you are facing a second offense Dewey charge, the average cost of a Dewey lawyer will increase to $4,500. If you're facing a felony, third offense drunk driving charge in Michigan, the average cost to skyrocket to charge $5,000 or more. How can a Dewey defense lawyer help me? A Dewey lawyer can help secure a more favorable outcome for your case. Minimizing fines for a Dewey. DUIs are a serious offense in Arizona, and as a result the fines can be substantial. Reducing jail time after a Dewey arrest. Challenging a license suspension. Avoiding a Dewey charge on your record. How much is a felony Dewey lawyer in California? The cost of a Dewey attorney varies depending on various factors, like previous convictions of Dewey or crimes involving drugs or alcohol, among other issues. While there is no set cost, a criminal lawyer in California usually costs between $400 minus $800 per hour. How long does a Dewey stay on your record in Alaska? How long does a Dewey stay on your driving record? Stayed on record for points. Alaska for life 10 points. Arizona 5 years 8 points. Arkansas 5 years 14 points. California 10 years 2 points. What happens with your first Dewey in Alaska? Penalties for drunk driving in Alaska. First-time offenders face at least 72 hours in prison and a fine of at least $1,500. The driver's license revocation period is at least 90 days. A person who commits a second Dewey within 15 years of the first conviction faces at least 20 days in prison and a fine of at least $3,000. How long do you go to jail for a Dewey in Alaska? A jail or monitoring sentence ranging from a mandatory minimum of 72 hours to a mandatory minimum of 360 days. How do I apologize to judge for Dewey? Apologize